Hello friend, in this video we will discuss the important property that need to be considered whenever we are designing the any plastic components. So we will discuss the mechanical strength, durability, chemical resistance, thermal stability, electrical property, dimensional stability, surface finish, ultraviolet resistance, flammability, water absorption, and biocompatibility and transparency and the cost. So these are all properties are very important for designing any plastic component. So let's discuss one by one. So whenever we are designing the plastic component, suppose our plastic component is subjected to the stresses and the load. Okay, so at that time our plastic component need to be withstand the stresses and the load to serve the application. You can take the example here. The plastic gear in mechanical system need to have the high strength and the wear resistance to ensure the reliable performance. Next one is the durability. Okay, so our plastic component should withstand the wear, abrasion and other form of degradation over the time. Okay, so the durability is very important for ensuring the long life and the reliability of the component. Okay, so you can take the example here. The plastic medical devices needs to be durable enough to withstand the repeated uses and the sterilization without the degrading. Okay, next one is the chemical resistance. So the chemical resistance is very important for the plastic components. Okay, so the plastic component may be exposed to the range of chemicals like including the solvent, acid and the bases. So that will affect the performance of the plastic components. Okay, so our plastic component should be chemical resistance, because if our plastic component is a chemical resistance, it ensure that the plastic component remains stable and the function in any environment. Okay, next one is the thermal stability. So the thermal stability is critical for the plastic components that will expose to the high temperature. Okay, so this include the automotive and the aerospace applications where the components may be exposed to the extreme heat. Okay, so our plastic component should have the good thermal stability so that it will maintain the mechanical property and the shape even under high temperature. Next one is the electrical properties. So electric properties are important in some applications such as electronics. Okay, so the plastic components maybe need to have specific electrical properties such as dielectric strength or the electrical conductivity. Next one is the dimensional stability. So the dimensional stability of the plastic component is very important, because in some cases if the temperature is high or the temperature is very low, at that time the plastic component shape and size will be changed. Okay, so our plastic component should have the dimensional stability. Okay, so so that the plastic component maintain its shape and size under varying condition to ensure the consistent performance. So the size and shape should not be changed. It should have the dimensional stability. Next one is the surface finish. So the surface finish is very important in case of appearance and in case of function. Okay, so the smooth surface finish can help to reduce the wear and the resistance to the dirt and debris. Okay, and the texture surface may be necessary for a grip or adhesion. Next one is the ultraviolet resistance. So it is important for the plastic component that will be exposed to the sunlight and the ultraviolet radiation. Okay, so without adequate ultraviolet resistance, the plastic component can be degrade and discolor over the time. Okay, so our plastic component should have the ultraviolet resistance property. Next one is the flammability. So the flammability is important consideration for the plastic component in application where there is a risk of the fire. Okay, so the plastic component with a good flame resistance will able to withstand the flame and minimize the risk of the fire. Next one is the water absorption. So the water absorption is the important for the plastic component that will be exposed to water or the moisture. Okay, so some plastics are more prone to the absorbing water, which can affect their mechanical property and the dimensional stability. So in some applications such as swimming pool equipment, water absorption can also affect the performance of the component. Next one is the biocompatibility. So biocompatibility is important for the plastic component used in a medical or the food contact application. So the plastic should not leach harmful substances or cause adverse reaction in a body or fruit. Next one is the transparency. So the transparency is important for the plastic component used in applications where visibility is the important, such as in eyeglasses or the medical imaging equipment. Finally, cost is a important consideration for any component design. So the different plastics have the different cost and the different properties. So the cost of the plastic should be balanced with the other properties required for the application. When we designing any component or selecting the any plastic components, at that time we need to consider all these property to ensure the optimum performance and the long life of the product. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.